If you've looked outside lately, you may have noticed the leaves have begun to change. Autumn leaves are iconic in their coloration, from deep purpley reds to bright yellows and crackling browns. But have you ever considered how and why? Late in the year, as sunlight decreases, the green chlorophyll stops production and starts to fade away, leaving behind another pigment that has always been there, but never in high enough quantities to be seen through the green. Carotenoids, the same chemicals that make carrots orange, help chlorophyll with the process of photosynthesis during the spring and summer months, but are slower to fade in the autumn, giving the leaves their distinctive yellow and orange colours. The darker red and purple colours come from another type of chemical, anthocyanins, that get made specifically for autumn. These are the same things that make your tomatoes red. They start to be produced only when about half the chlorophyll has already been lost, and the vibrance of these colours can be affected by all sorts of things, especially the weather. Poor weather, as long as it's still above freezing point, will reportedly lead to the brightest leaves. The question then is, why do trees do this? Orange carotenoids may be a passive colour as a result of rapid chlorophyll loss, but red anthocyanins actually cost the plant energy to make. What makes them worth it? Well, there are a few different theories. A lot of scientists think the colour change may be used to signal insects, essentially letting them know that the leaves just aren't that good to eat. Either because the anthocyanins are generally present together with natural chemical defences, pesticides, or because the leaves are about to fall. Falling leaves are known to be a major cause of mortality amongst insect species, which are unable to just fly back up the canopy when they drop to the forest floor. An alternative theory suggests that by changing colour, trees may be trying to disrupt insects' camouflage, making them more vulnerable to predators like birds. If an insect can be warned away, or eaten by other creatures, it can't cause damage to the tree during its dormant winter months. Another theory says that the red coloration may be a more general signal to animals that the tree's fruits are ripe. The attracted animals can then eat the fruits and spread their seeds away from the tree when they come out of the other end. Finally, there's the theory that autumn colours are generated to protect the leaves from ultraviolet light, essentially from sunburn. You might wonder why that's necessary if the leaves are just going to drop off anyway, but during autumn, trees attempt to reclaim as much of the nutrients as possible from leaves so that they don't go to waste. Doing this is an active process which requires a living leaf, hence the production of colours as natural sunscreen. So a combination of these theories hopefully answers the hows and whys of autumn leaves. Now all that remains is for you to get out there and enjoy them. Oh, and the brown leaves are just dead.